There are a few different options for connecting with both students and staff as we're preparing for e-learning. One of them is Google Hangouts, and what makes Google Hangouts particularly easy is it's connected with our Gmail account. On your Gmail account, if you go to the bottom left, there is an option to hit the plus button, and you can pull up any name, whether it's a student or a staff member. In this case, I'm going to type in my name and use my personal Gmail account. When I click on that, on the bottom right is a Hangouts box. You can go ahead and send a message and just type back and forth with one another. Or on the top left of that box is a little camera button for the video call. You can go ahead and hit the video call, and it will call that individual.
Hi, Mr. Coase.
And then you have either your student or your staff member that you can have a conference with. A couple of features I'll show you quickly. On the top right, you can add an individual. At this point, you can go ahead and put in their email address and it will connect with them. Or you can share a link that it can be posted for them to join. And then another feature which is great is if you hit the top three dots on the top right, you can share your screen. And so if you're working with staff members and you want to show them how to use an application, you can actually even just click on that application specifically. If I were to click on the right, they would only see my Gmail account. Or you can show them your whole screen, which will have all the different windows that you have open, and you can navigate that and they'll see the whole thing. If I go ahead and hit my application window, it's just going to show my Chrome browser. I'm going to select that and hit share. And right now on the bottom right, you can see that really this is what they're seeing. So even though I have this on the front when I can see their face, they're seeing just my Chrome browser. So I can go to Schoology, I can walk through some steps. I can go here, I'm working on a website, I can talk about that. Or I can go to email or a variety of other things. At that point, I can go back to them. I can hit stop sharing on the bottom. And now I'm just looking at them and we can have a conversation. Again, a very easy tool. It's right in your mailbox so that you can connect with either staff or students.